Since almost to Winston-Salem.
Yeah, it's like Albemarle or something like that. Where it ends finally down through there somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, we come to Charlotte generally every year when they have the auto fair.
Yeah, that's something I've never checked out.
Really?
Is it an auto show or something?
Yeah. Car show.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see all kinds of stuff. I mean, cars you've never seen before.
Man, I worked from home for about 7 years and been kind of a hermit. And now that it's been forced on me with the COVID, I'm like, well, maybe I ought to go out and go check some things out. So an auto fair, I'm going to keep an eye out for that one next year.
Go to the spring show.
The spring one.
Yeah, okay. Fall show normally isn't as good, but spring show normally it's very nice to go.
Very cool.
Yeah, they line the track with cars, and then there's parts in the infield and parts on the outfield, and yeah.
Oh, is it up on the racetrack?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
The ones in North Carolina, well, you know, they'll have the display and they'll say,
yeah, that
one is such and such and that one is such and such. But man, we really live, North Carolina is just a really fantastic place for motorcycling. We're really blessed to be here.
Yeah. Yeah, I got family. My mom's originally from Carolina. She's originally from Greensboro.
Okay.
So I still got family all down through there.
Oh, we're in Virginia. I forgot we're in Virginia.
Yeah, we travel that way all the time.
Have you ever made it up to the Shenandoah National Park? One of these days. It was a good weather weekend, so I thought I would just kind of test the way to get up here.
Yeah.
In classic fashion, for the second or third time, I got lost in Winston-Salem. I mean, I've got a navigation, but I just try to challenge myself.
Yep.
Every time I end up just picking a road, getting right into the middle of town or something.
Yeah.
But hopefully this year, you know, try Shenandoah. And never been to West Virginia. Looking forward to checking some of that out.
West Virginia's nice.
I bet.
Yeah. We go there every year. They have the state fair in Lewisburg. You go to Rich Creek, cut across 219, I believe. Yeah, go to Rich Creek, cut across 219, takes you out towards Lewisburg. I mean, it is just absolute gorgeous country.
Man.
Just, yeah, it's awesome.
I've got about somewhere between 50 and 60,000 miles in 14 years, mainly around Charlotte.
Oh,
and I've just worn them out. I've worn out those roads. It's time to branch out a little bit and see something bigger.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Any idea how far Roanoke is from here? An hour, 2 hours?
As far as parkway riding, I'm not real sure, but so Tubble's Gap, you're roughly about 40 miles from Roanoke.
Oh, well that's...
So it's not terrible.
No.
Not a terrible ride.
Still options.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Still time enough to go check out, you know, around a little bit.
Yeah. Did you come past Mayberry Mill?
Mount Airy?
No, Mayberry Mill.
I don't recognize it.
It's been so long since I've been on. Mayberry Mill. But it's an old mill. They still run, they do demonstrations, that sort of thing. It's very nice.
There's a few neat spots like that in old places.
Yeah, that last time we were down, they had a guy in there iron working, and I mean, he was, you know, had his forge going and stuff. It was pretty nice.
That's cool to watch how it was done.
Oh yeah.
up there. You have a great afternoon.
You too. Ride safe.
Yep, you too.